Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate video using elements from the December 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit called All the Best. I have taken one of the envelopes and cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4. I've got a Daffodil Delight card base. I've got one of the banners from the kit, and then I've got two of the little dandelion die cuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp this one with Daffodil Delight using the stamp from the set 1,000 Good Luck Wishes. And I'm just going to stamp that down. So I'm probably going to get my head in the frame while I line this up. There we go. So 1,000 Good Luck Wishes. Done with that, we can put that off to the side. I'm going to just flat mount this to the card base, and just like that. This is going to go here, and I'm not sure if I'm going to dimensionalize it or leave it flat. Okay, let's just see what it would look like raised up a little bit. Okay, I'm raising it up a little bit. So I need some dimensionals, and just like that, and like that. Perfect. All right, so let's get this loaded up on the side of the card here. I'm lining it up right at the edge. And like that, and we're straight, so life is good. All right, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to put adhesive on the bottom edge of it and a dimensional on the top of the flower, because I want it to stand just a little bit away from the card, and it's going to sit over top of this like this, so we've got a little bit of depth to the card. I'm going to put this, I've just got a little bit of adhesive there. I'm actually going to tuck this right underneath like this so you can't see the stem of it, but we're also going to dimensionalize the top of this flower. So we'll do that like that, and I need to put adhesive on the front of this one, and it's going to tuck underneath that dandelion like that, and then go like that. So you can't actually see the stem of this little one, but what you get is some depth here. So I haven't got anything over here. I can put some of the blue bling on, maybe just a couple of them. If you've got other color bling, you can certainly use other color bling. But I think I'll just put a couple on, I think, just to add just a little bit of interest, really. And maybe just bring a little bit of the other color in. So we'll do that. So that is, I've lost track now. This is the alternate 4. I think, in our set of alternates using the December 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.